back to the channel. Today we're going to talk a little bit about GoPros and making videos with the cars. We try to make a lot of different videos, and inside the car, outside the car. We've done some stuff at race events and things like that. But some stuff that's really helped me out with taking videos outside the cars with these mounts. We got lots of different types of mounts. You can get them pretty much anywhere. I got ones on top, and GoPros have really come a long way. They have stabilization and a lot of different things like that. But when I first started doing the videos, I noticed that I was just getting a ton of wind noise. I'm driving, everything looks great, but then I'm like, just wind noise like crazy, and the video just doesn't come out that good. So I kind of started looking around a little bit, and went back on Amazon, and I found these noise reduction foam pieces. Okay, so this goes right over the top of the GoPro, and the GoPros usually have I think 2 or 3 microphones on them. So we put this over the top, and the nice thing about these is that they have holes for the displays, also to mount it, so I can hit all the different buttons that I need to, and it covers the microphones. So we started using these, and it really helped. It really made our videos way better. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put this on and what we're going to do, and we're going to make some videos, and we're going to go from there. Alright, so today we're using a GoPro 7. I really like these a lot. It's got some upgraded features to the other ones, where it's got stabilization and things like that. I think they even have a GoPro 9 or 10 now, but this does everything that I need it to do. So I just take the GoPro and I put it inside the cage, close it up, but then I use this noise reducer. Okay, again, I think it was a 2-pack for $8 or $9, so it wasn't too bad. So I take that and I kind of stretch it over the top. And it's nice because when I first started out, I'm like, oh man, my videos are really noisy. So I was taking microfiber cloths, and I was cutting holes in them, and I was using rubber bands and all these things, and it worked really well. But it was just a pain. I couldn't access the buttons like on this guy. I couldn't charge it without taking the blanket or the towel off and the rubber bands, and it just became a real issue. So I knew I needed something better. So I actually went online and bought these foam things. So $9 for 2 of them. So I'm using these this side mount today. I like the double one because if something fails, it just holds it really well. I mean, I could pull on this guy and take it racing, and it's never come off. So I go ahead and put this on here. Go ahead and step around. So I just mount my camera like that. I mean, you can put it anywhere you want on the car. I put it here. You can also access these with your phone. You can get an app, and then you can just be in there and just hit it with your phone. I usually just put it here. I just reach out and turn it on. But I'll probably start trying the app too. Okay, this is just something I just really haven't used yet. But today we're going to take some videos. We're going to drive the car around a little bit, and like I said, all the videos before without this were just super noisy, and now you still hear some wind noise, but this has helped a lot. Okay, so we're shooting inside the car. I definitely recommend the noise reduction foam. I think it helps a lot. It makes my videos a lot better, and it'll make your videos better too. I also recommend the suction cup. There's a lot of different ones. There's lower profile ones, which I might invest in next time, so it's a little more close to the base. It doesn't have this like moment arm here where it can, you know, kind of come off, or I don't know. I don't know if it will. It seems pretty strong to me, but I really like it. I also put a lanyard on here too, just in case so I don't lose it. I mean, the cameras are $300 to $400 for the cameras, but overall, I think good products. The GoPros are nice, and I really like them for making the car videos. I think they help out a lot, especially if you're going to be doing more of them. Again, I don't really recommend doing the phone thing, but I always try to capture good videos and things like that. So anyway, thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you want to see more of our videos and things like that. We'll be reviewing some more products, doing some more videos at tracks or various events. Also more videos of just cruising around. You know, being in the Detroit area, I'm lucky enough to see a lot of muscle cars on a pretty regular basis. So I try to take as much video content as I can and share with you guys. And I have a lot of fun doing it. So stay tuned, and we'll do some more, and I'll talk to you later.